Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a free mobile app using JotForm. JotForm is known as an all-in-one platform to create all manner of forms. But what you may not know is that you can create mobile apps with JotForm. Just come to templates and click on app templates. Now you can create it from scratch, but we're going to use a template. Click on add templates, app templates rather. And here, you see quite a number of apps. You can use any of these templates if you so desire, and make sure you have created and logged into your JotForm account. Now, we see this is a scheduling app. It depends on what kind of app you want. If you want a rental app, you can filter by rental apps. So we can preview any of these. We can preview this. And this is how the app is going to look like. I don't know, it really doesn't show me anything very much about the preview. Oh, it's showing now. You can rent a boat, inspect boat, and all that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this particular app to create a boat rental website. This template, I'm going to click on that. And it gives me this pop-up. I'm just going to X out of this. And now this is the mobile app. This is the app. It's an app for booking and rentals. That's to rent your boat. Now, I see this here. I could add elements here. This is how the app looks on mobile. So I could click here to add elements. You see we have these testimonials. Maybe you want to add another something like a contact form or something of that sort. You can add it here. You could probably want to add some other images. I'm going to click on add page. And then I see this blank canvas here. I'm going to add some images. I'm going to add image gallery here. Then I'm going to download some images and upload them here. Now I'm going to just upload those images here. I'll click here to upload those images. I don't know why I'm clicking, it's not moving. All right, I'm going to choose the layout of the gallery. I could say maybe I want it to be something like this, the layout. I'm going to select images. I'll upload them from here. These are my images. I'll upload them there. So you can see the images here. Do we want to shrink them? You could turn that on to shrink them, but I'll leave it off. Do you want to duplicate this element? I'll leave that the way it is. Now, you could also add a lot of other things. You could add something like a table. Maybe you want to add prices. Let's say I add a page here, and I want to add a table there and add some information. So we could say boat inspection checklist form. I'll just use this particular one. I'll add that there. It's a table. It's already predefined. And what else? We could come to widgets. There are other things. You can add a fixed text. You can embed an iframe. You can also add your Instagram so that you can display your Instagram feed here. You can add a WhatsApp button. I'm going to add a WhatsApp button there. So that is that. When you click on this button, you can send us a text message and you can customize it. I can add my WhatsApp number. I'll just say +240 00000. So that's my WhatsApp number, and message text, hit us up and we will get back to you. So that's our message. You can also add Vimeo, cool captions, basic separator. You can add Spotify. There is actually just a lot you can add here, including WordPress TV, whatever that is. And then you could also add, coming back to our main widgets, you could add testimonials. We already have the testimonials here, but you could go ahead and customize them. So we have two from Richard McGreen and Martha Jackson. Could change their testimonials. One other thing I want to add is a map so that people know where our location is. I'm going to add this map here. And now it gives us this automatic location. So this map tells people where we are located. Now, I'll just delete this. I don't want too much on the page, this table. I'll delete that. And I'll also delete this entire widget. I'll delete that. So this is our app. Now, if I go ahead, I want to preview this app. This is it on this side. You can see how it looks. This is it on mobile. I can look at it on tablet. And you see this is how it looks. I can change this picture too. I can also look at it on desktop. So this is how it's going to look on desktop. I'm going to go back to the builder. Now what I want to do is I want to come to settings, and perhaps you want to change the name. You can add to home screen modal. That means this app can be added to the home screen of your, it can be added to the home screen of your website. And progress bar, let users see their progress for forms or documents marked. So you can enable that. Prevent cloning, you can enable that so that nobody can clone this app. And you can come to the app name and you can change the name of this app here. And you can see my boat renter. You can also change this icon. You can edit the icon there. I'm told an unexpected error occurred, but under normal circumstances, I should be able to change this icon to something else. This is the icon which is going to be shown on your screen. And then for the splash screen, you can customize this. That is the screen when it's loading. You can customize this from here. You can change the background color to something else. And push notifications, you can enable this, enable push notifications for users. And you can give the title there. Now what I want to do is I want to publish this. I'm going to publish this and open it in a new tab. Now this, I'm granting public access to this app so that everyone that has this link can download this app. And I'm going to show you how it's down, how it works on my computer. So I'm going to copy link. Now if I open this link in a new tab, you see this is what you are going to see on your phone. Add to home screen. So when you add it to home screen, it's going to be like any other mobile app. So I'll just come back here, and what I want to do is to share this app. I'm just going to use the QR code and I'm going to scan it and download the app on my phone and show you how it works. All right, so having scanned this app, this is what I see here. And it shows me add my boat renter to your home screen. I'm going to say add to home screen. And it says install app. I'm going to install that. And it tells me it's installing. If I come back to my home screen, it should be here somewhere after having been installed. Now, this is the app here. If I click on it, you see the splash screen, the blue splash screen rather. Excuse my language. And we can see all of these. I can click on rent my boat here. We didn't configure all of this, but we can change all of this. So if you want to remove this JotForm, you have to subscribe to the pro version. I can put all my information here and I'm going to send it to whoever I'm going to submit the information. So that is how it works. And these are the various pages. We're supposed to name these pages. This is the gallery. I'm supposed to name this gallery on my website. You remember we added these pictures. And also, if I go to page 2, this is the map I added. And if I go to contact us, this is the contact us page. You can call us, email us. And then page 4 should be the WhatsApp button. You can also make it a continuous scroll up, but you get the point. So this is how to create an app using JotForm for absolutely free. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace.